3 seconds. Let's check out how it goes. Very one of its kind, we are here at Welcome with a fusion of Chennavelum and violin. Come on everybody, put your hands up. Correct, huh? Pakkana? Pakkana? We will continue the romantic arias in the
The wedding is all about celebrations. Celebrating emotions, bringing two families together, and the most important part of setting the tone is breaking the ice and creating the right energy from the very beginning.
Fusion of Chennavelum and a little bit of violin here and there. So ladies and gentlemen, before that, let's have fun and let's make the best of this day.
So before we head on to our wedding, the first and foremost thing that all of us are not prioritizing is the welcome. Welcoming families becomes the main priority to have the perfect celebration etched with all of us. Step 1. Pre-welcome coordination. Before the festivities begin, I work closely with the bride's family to understand the planned welcome ceremony, from coordinating the choreography and guest placements to ensuring seamless sound arrangements and flow. Every detail is aligned to create a memorable welcome experience. Tip: please hire a sound engineer plus a very nice speaker along with a mic. Step 2. Groom's procession and grand welcome. Whether it's a vibrant barat, a traditional South Indian welcome, a door procession, or a DJ-led extravaganza celebration, or a very simple welcome, I can help create an entrance that reflects the couple's style and family traditions. Step number 3. Fun groom entry challenges. The groom shouldn't reach the bride that easily. I won't let that go, and I assure you that. Before the big meeting, I assist the bride's family in organizing entertaining tasks, challenges, and playful rituals that create laughter, interaction, and unforgettable memories for both of the families together. Step 4. Bride's grand entry. Every bride has a dreamy entrance that she's been planning from ages together. As the bride makes her special entrance, I coordinate the flow, the choreography, music, announcements to ensure the moment feels magical, emotional, and picture perfect. Step 5. Games for the couple and an icebreaker for two families together. Once the bride and the groom are together, we bring both the families into the celebration through engaging and light-hearted games. These activities help everyone interact, laugh, connect, transform strangers into one big family. After all of this, a wedding that begins with warmth, excitement, high energy, setting the perfect tone for the celebrations just begin right there.
First, thumbs up for Abhigna. She has done a fantastic job in the most difficult of circumstances.
The event overall was really great. Abby has been accommodating of the last minute changes, and still there were no problems, issues. Yeah, I think things went smoothly.
We
wanted something very intimate to begin with, but also we wanted a couple of events which are a lot of fun.
Yep.
Definitely
a
will
good
be.
blend of
Yeah,
like emotion and fun.
yeah.
And it was a conscious decision to go with an anchorage.
Abhigna did a phenomenal job.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ 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 Abhigna did a fantastic job. Please use her for all your functions and it will be a great stage for all of you guys.
Hi, we had a big event which is for 2 days, and Abhigna did a great job. We just finished only 2 events, but we were really surprised, and it was an amazing performance. I would say. And we were all no one is going to come, but end of the day, we have seen a lot of people coming in. It's just because of her. I would definitely recommend her for all the events, and all the best.
She's awesome, all-time best. So anytime I will suggest her. Thank you.
Memorable, and thanks for being part of this day for us.
Yeah, you're like family now. Sweet.